This enchanting palatial estate is reminiscent of an Italian villa in Tuscany with panoramic views extending over Poway Valley to the Pacific Ocean. The main house is 5+ bedrooms, 5.5 baths, detached gym, and brew/wine sterile room. Detached casita and detached art studio/workshop. Approximately 5,000 square feet of indoor living area. Built for entertaining. 2.4 acres of treasures and hidden gems. This secluded villa will transport you to a European village, starting with the vine-wrapped pillars and covered entry to the soothing fountain leading you to the double-door entry, where the magic begins. Views from most every room and outdoor area. Spacious living room and dining room with slate floors and a romantic fireplace. Access to the huge partially covered patio with a second fireplace, 2 BBQs, pizza oven and the small koi pond. The kitchen is a chef's dream with an oversized island in the center, vaulted ceilings, 6-burner Viking stove, pot filler, warming drawer, 2 dishwashers, separate subzero refrigerator and freezer, wine frig plus 2 additional refrigerator drawers, custom, timeless cabinets, private balcony, and more views. Full-size laundry room, pantry, movie theater room. The main level has 2 bedrooms and 2 baths, 1 master up and 1 master down. Upper level has 3 bedrooms and 3 full baths, 2 balconies and a library. Below the main level is the pool, hot tub, wine cellar, half bath, gym, wine/beer brew room, covered game area. Meandering multilevel waterfall and koi pond run.